Hello students, myself Sanjay Singh from Government Engineering College Ajmer. Students, today we will learn an important concept that how the input output devices, for example LED display, liquid light emitting diode or scan keyboard are interfaced with 8085 microprocessor, or we can say the applications of interfacing the devices with 8085 microprocessor. So today let's we start with the basic input output concepts, and then we will see the how the LED display will be interconnected with 8085 microprocessor and how it will works. So let's start with the input output basic concept. So the peripherals such as LED and keypads are the essential components of the microprocessor based system. The input devices provide the digital information to the microprocessor, and the examples of input devices are the switches, keyboards, scanner, digital camera, and etc. Same way, there are some output devices, and the example of output devices, for example, LED, 7 segment display, LCD, and printers. So the output devices receive the digital information from the microprocessor and display that information to the user. The devices are interfaced to the microprocessor using the input output ports. So here is the diagram that how this interfacing is carried out. Here is the microprocessor 8085. Here is the address bus of microprocessor place this the address of that device, and that address is given to the address decoder. That address decoder decodes that address and finds the suitable or the requested input output device and place that address into the address bus. Data bus is the bidirectional bus that carries the data from microprocessor to input output device and vice versa. Here is also some control signals, that is read and write signals. These are used to uh, control the reading operation and the writing operation. Reading operation in case of if the device is input device, and writing operation in the case when the device is output device. For example, dip switches are used as a function as a input device, and LEDs are works as a output device. So here is the introduction that how this interfacing will be carried out. So the input output ports, what are the input output ports? And the buffers and latches of the microprocessor chip that assign the binary addresses by decoding the address bus. Uh, General bidirectional bus is the internal data direction of the register and defines the movement of data from microprocessor to input output device and vice versa. To read the binary information from the from an input device, or we can say input peripheral, microprocessor place the address of input port on the address bus first thing. Then in the second step, it enables the input port by asserting the read signal. Read signal reads the data using the data bus, and to write the data on the output device, microprocessor place the address of the output port on the address bus, place the data on the data bus, and asserts a write signal that enables the device to write the data on the output device. So let's interface how to interconnect interfacing the output peripherals with the microprocessor. So in today's lecture we will see the output device interfacing, or we can say LED interfacing with the microprocessor. So the commonly used output peripherals in the embedded system are the LEDs, that is light emitting diodes, 7 segment display, or LCDs. The two way of connecting the LEDs to the input output ports, one is called common cathode way, or second one is called common anode method. In common cathode, LED cathodes are grounded. Logic 1 for the input output port turn on the LED, यानी कि लॉजिक 1 को कोई भी इनपुट आउटपुट जो एलईडी है उसको ऑन करने के लिए लॉजिक 1 काम में लिया जाता है, एंड द करंट इज सप्लाइड बाय द इनपुट आउटपुट port are called current sourcing. In common anode method, LED anodes are connected to the power supply. The logic 0 from the input output ports turn on the LED, यानी कि लॉजिक 0 यहाँ पे ऑन करता है एलईडीज को यहाँ पे लॉजिक 1 जो है वो ऑन करता है एलईडीज को इन कैथोड मेथड, और एनोड मेथड के अंदर लॉजिक 0 ऑन करता है एलईडीज को. सो द करंट इज रिसीव्ड बाय द चिप कॉल्ड करंट श्रिंकिंग. Here is the diagram that how the LEDs will work. For example, here is port B, and these are the 8 registers for port B. Each register carries 1 bit. So here LEDs works on logic LED 0, and uh, here is the anode form of the LEDs, here is the cathode form of the LEDs. यहाँ पे +5 वोल्ट दिया जाता है, यहाँ पे ग्राउंड किया जाता है. जैसा कि हमने लास्ट स्लाइड में बताया आपको कि एलईडी कैथोड वे के अंदर एलईडी कैथोड आर ग्राउंडेड, और इन एनोड मेथड एलईडीज आर कनेक्टेड विद द पावर सप्लाई. और यहाँ पे जो है लॉजिक 1 फॉर द एलईडीज ऑन given for the LEDs to on, and यहाँ पे logic 0 is given to LEDs on. For example यहाँ पे +5 वोल्ट दिया जाता है. +5 वोल्ट का मतलब logic 1 will be given here, and that carries out the LEDs 1 या on. So second method of interfacing with the as a output device is 7 segment display. 7 segment display, as we already know that 7 segment display is used for BCD digits, and it shows the number from 0 to 9. तो 7 segment display used to display the BCD digits from 0 to 9. A group of 7 LEDs physically mounted in the shape of the number 8 plus a decimal digit. Each LED is called a segment, that is from A to G. There are two types of 7 segment display. One is called common anode and another one is called common cathode. Here is the 7 segment display. For example, we see here it is numbered from A to G. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now, how it will works in a cathode method and in a anode method. So, common anode method के अंदर पहले डिस्कस करते हैं हम. All anodes are connected together to the power supply and cathodes are connected to the data lines. Logic 0 turns a segment, यानी कि जिस भी सेगमेंट को हमें टर्न ऑन करना है उसको हम लॉजिक 0 सप्लाई करेंगे एंड बाकी को लॉजिक 1 सप्लाई करेंगे. For example, we have to display the 1, then all segment except the B and C should be off. For example, we see that B, this one and this one will be given 0 0, और बाकी सबको हम क्या दे देंगे 1 1 कर देंगे. तो ये दोनों क्या रहेंगे ऑन रहेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 0 का मतलब है ऑन, बिकॉज इट इज मेथड ऑफ एनोड, और एनोड के अंदर क्या है लॉजिक 0 टर्न्स ऑन द सेगमेंट. सो अगर हम इसको देखें तो इसका जो बिट पैटर्न है दिस इज F एंड दिस इज 9, तो दिस इज F9। तो जब हम प्रोग्रामिंग करेंगे तो एक्यूमुलेटर में क्या डालेंगे, F9 डालेंगे टू डिस्प्ले द 1। और इसी तरह अगर हम कॉमन कैथोड मेथड को देखें तो कॉमन कैथोड मेथड के अंदर इसका उल्टा हो जाता है, यानी कि लॉजिक 1 टर्न्स ऑन द सेगमेंट और लॉजिक 0 विल ऑफ द होल। तो अगर हमें 1 को डिस्प्ले कराना है इन in method of common cathode, then all only B and C will be 1 and all other will be 0. So the uh, resulting hexadecimal digit will be 06. So this is how the 7 segment display will be works. So today we have seen that how the 7 segment and LED displays are connected with the 8085 microprocessor and how these are works together. So thank you so much for um, today's lecture. Thank you.